Hi, Patric Chan, and I would like to give you a copy of my best-selling book, The 72 Amazing Ways to Internet Profits, for free. In it, you will discover the 72 killer internet marketing ideas you can use to make money online and grow your business. It's also 100% suitable for newbies and also experienced marketers. The reason why I'm doing this is very simple. First, unlike what you have seen online, this is actually a real best-selling book that's available in their local bookstores. Thousands of copies of the first edition have been sold. The first edition was back in 2012 and it contains 72 valuable chapters. So in this second edition, I've updated many of the previous chapters and replaced 50% of the old chapters with the new ones. Although this book is currently selling in Amazon.com, I'm going to give it to you for free on this website that you are visiting. You see, I want your feedbacks before this book goes live in the local bookstores. At the same time, I'm collecting as many testimonials as possible. Inside the book, if you'd like to contribute, there's instructions on how you can provide your feedback after you have read the book. And on top of getting the book for free, I'll prepare an awesome free bonus for you if you decide to grab your copy today for free, where you'll just cover the handling and shipping costs.